say I'm in town, I get a notion we both walk the same ground. Been traveling all over, searching far and away for a sign to lead me straight. We walk together down the streets of our home. It's been forever, a long time that I've been gone. The feelings come easy as we start a new day, and I know what I should say.
Can you feel it, honey? Can you feel it, honey? Now you're way past that. All that bad, 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 bad. So bad, 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 bad. Can you see it, honey? Can you see it? See you past the trouble. Now you know the meaning of it all. It all. Didn't think it happened so soon, but that one afternoon you finally moved on. Letting go of all that he said and finally kept for yourself. You really moved on. And I feel it, feel it, feel it, feel it. I feel it, I feel it. Ooh. It's gonna be the ending of all that's bad. From now on, let's just leave it all in the past and look how good we are. No more bleeding, can't you see it healing? Hold on to that feeling, 'cause I know you're gonna get it right, 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 right. So right, 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 right. Didn't need it, now you didn't need it. Didn't even feel it. Told me like 100 times out loud, 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 loud. Making me proud, proud.
Waiting for a sign, turn back time, see fairy tale soul, awake and alive. Everything about you is honest and true. What do you say? Can you picture yourself with me? Waking up by my side, sharing your days and your nights, burning up as we get it right. My all time blue. Dreaming of a dream, holding on to you, fairy tale, no. Your freckles put a smile across my mind.
So I had to make me a quick store run. My husband is out of the Dr. Till's Epsom salt, but I did pick this one up. I remember seeing this one last year, the Cozy Vanilla. Now this is a limited edition and it smells so good. I think I'm gonna go back and pick some up. Probably next week or something, because I forgot about I forgot that they had these like coming out this time of the year. Last year, I picked up some from, where was it? Target. So I think I'm going to wait before I go back to Walmart because I think Target had some kind of deal on it. But yeah, so I got those, and then I got the fragrance free. I usually get the Walmart brand fragrance free. I can't get out. Epsom. So I have some text messages coming through that I was trying to read at the same time, but they usually have a bigger pack, but they didn't have any. It's like $3 and something. So I usually get that, and then just kind of, he could scoop out the regular, the non-fragrance, the fragrance-free Epsom salt, or the cozy vanilla. But anyway, he likes this foaming bath, so I picked those up. That up, y'all. I don't know what's going on with me this morning, but I picked that up. It's this oil that I need to get that he really like. I didn't see it at this Walmart, so I need to go to like one of these super Walmarts. But I want to go ahead and show y'all this before I forget. I have Dylan stuff set up right here. He's making tacos, but he's never made tacos, so I have all of his stuff set up right here because I'm getting ready to go with one of my friends. So I just told him to FaceTime me and I'll walk you through it. He usually feeds like pizzas and stuff like that, just quick and easy stuff that he could just throw in the air fryer, but he wanted to make him some tacos today, so I already got him set up. So all I have to do is FaceTime him and tell him what to do, and yeah, so that's that.
It was about 5 minutes ago when I seen the hottest chick that a youngin' never seen before. I say, yo, tell the girls I wanna meet up. On second time, that ain't the way to go. I gotta give her game proper, spit it so she get it. There she is, I gotta stop her. Or should I talk about a smile? Or what about a style? I'm out of time, she's out the door, I gotta go for mine. Or should I talk about a smile? Or what about a style? I'm out of time, she's out the door, I gotta go for mine. Let the girl say, yeah. Excuse me, miss. Oh, yeah. And I gotta admit that you got my attention. You're making me want to say, yeah. I know you're trying to leave, miss. I saw you dance with you. How I love you, keep you here with me, yo, baby. Now, so they grab hold of my
Take it away, take it away. Feeling too good to me. Chilling all day, all in your space is where I wanna be. Here in this room, what did you do? I just can't get enough. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging by myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you. Yeah, you always make me feel like home. Yeah, you never leave my thoughts alone. Yeah, you're the reason I'm going out my mind. I just can't stop thinking about you.
Let me show y'all what I picked up from Home Goods. Of course, I already put Milo's treats up, but they had this macaroni. I love trying different pastas from Home Goods. Listen, if you into that kind of thing or you like to try different stuff, Home Goods is the place to go. And then it was on clearance for $3.50. So I think I'm gonna make that. I think I'm gonna make that sometime this week. And just put like cheese with it and all that stuff. And y'all, I picked up some avocado oil. I thought this was the regular avocado oil, but it's lemon infused. But I'm gonna keep it. I'm gonna keep it because I was like, when I'm cooking seafood, and y'all know we cook a lot of seafood, so I think that'll be good. Like if I'm frying like shrimp or fish, that'll be good for that. So I still need to go back and get some more avocado oil. But that's all I picked up from Home Goods.